Hello, in this video I will show you how you can import or export contacts on OPPO A5. So first of all you have to open Contacts app and open Organize. Now go to scroll down and here you can find Import from file and Export to file. So let's take Export for first and you can choose accounts to export. So you can export contacts from your SIM card and also from your Gmail. So let's select both of these options and click export. And now you can change the name of this file and also you can change the location of saving. So now when it's done, click save. And now, as you can see, contacts will be exported shortly. So maybe you have to wait a couple of seconds or minutes for this. So now let's take import from file, and now you can save imported contacts to your Gmail account or your device. So let's take device for example, and now here is my file with the contacts. So let's click on it, and now as you can see this file will be imported shortly. So you can do it just like that. Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.